What's up, YouTube? So today in this video I'm going to be trying out the Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask. I'm going to be using it on my hair and my face. I bought this yesterday at the beauty supply store for it has the price on here, for $10, well $9.99. All you need is something to pour it in and a spoon to mix it with. So it was 2 months ago I dyed my hair using this $4 box color, I think it was. After that, I just put it in braids because I was going out of town, so I didn't want to have to deal with my hair. When I took the braids out and washed my hair, I noticed that my hair was dry and my curls were not clumping together at all. My curls were not forming, so that kind of bummed me out. But yeah, hopefully this mask works some wonders and works like it says, well, people said it would. Alright guys, so let's get right into it. The ingredients that you'll need is obviously the clay itself and some apple cider vinegar. If you do not have any apple cider vinegar, that's fine. You can also use water. However, using the apple cider vinegar does make the mask stronger, which holds more benefits. I didn't use any specific measurements. I kind of just poured the apple cider vinegar in little by little until I got the sort of clay consistency that I wanted. You don't want the mask to be too runny, or else when you're applying it, it will drip everywhere. And let me tell you guys, this stuff gets everywhere. So here I just wanted to show you guys that if you're using apple cider vinegar, it does fizz a lot. That's normal. I'm not sure if it fizzes when you use water. So you want to keep mixing it until you get that nice consistency. I didn't put any, but many people chose to put oils in their mask. You can use oils like coconut oil or olive oil or just an oil of your choice. I didn't mention it before, but you guys want to make sure your hair is either damp or wet. You can either put it on after the shower or you can use a spray bottle like I did in the video. So in the middle of me putting on the mask, I did run out, so I ended up making more. If you do run out, you can always go back and make more. Just note that if you have a lot of hair, it's going to take a lot of the mask to cover your whole head. Honestly. I have it on. Like I said, I'm going to leave about 30 minutes. I'm going to go eat. And I'm going to come back when it's time to rinse it out. So I will see you guys in 30 minutes. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like after. It has some product in it. So the products I have in my hair is Hollywood Beauty's castor oil. I have the Garnier Fructis curl scrunch controlling gel. This Talia Wash It, however you say it. The Great Detangler leave-in conditioner. So yeah, only those three, and you can see how my curls turned out. See, the hair on this side, it's always been how do I say it? The curls on this side of my hair have always been looser, Ever since I went natural, I don't know why, but that's just how it is. This side is kind of like more flatter than this side, and it's just, it has a mind of its own. But yeah, let me show you the back. So overall, I would say my hair does feel softer. As far as my curls, I want to say it helped, but I don't know. It just feels the same. But it does make it made my hair softer, so I give them that. Another thing is when I was washing my hair out, I noticed that my hair was really dry until I had put conditioner in it. I guess the conditioner absorbed into my hair better, because even though I washed the conditioner out, it still made my hair feel soft like how it is now. Now as far as my face, I don't know. What do you guys think? My face does feel softer. I like how it turned out. I definitely would recommend you guys using the Aztec clay mask for your hair and face. I will definitely be using it again. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share, comment, all of that. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Peace.